did you miss this step? Tony!
Here from the chandelier.
Tony!
Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe?
Tony!
My little pony, my little pony. Da, 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 da.
You never hear me when I call you. Tony!
What happened?
You can't hear me, so I have to scream for you. Like I'm dying, and then you hear me. Can you bring me the shovel? I don't know where it is. One of the bags, probably. But I need it, please.
Okay.
Oh shit, you took the ladder. I can't even get down. That's pretty far down. This video is gonna be called Ranting in the Car. There's a lot of rants in the car. It's in there. I can't see.
Why are you holding your hand like that instead of using the sun visor like a normal person?
Because I'm short. The sun visor doesn't do anything. Look, it's straight in my eyes.
You remember that sun visor extension that I bought you years ago when we first met?
It doesn't fit this. Remember how I said I rarely break my nails on the Q&A? It just happened.
Who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
SpongeBob SquarePants.
Absorbent in yellow and porous is he.
SpongeBob SquarePants. Oops.
The surgery went as expected, and you should have no side effects.
Hopefully. SpongeBob SquarePants. SpongeBob SquarePants.
SpongeBob SquarePants!
This is why we don't get anything done. Did I record any of that?